want to wish everyone a happy new year from ENS Home Care Solutions. This is Jill. I'm the Director of Nursing at ENS Home Care Solutions, and I really want to talk to you today about the importance of making sure that you do not fall. Sadly, falls create many complications for our patients, and just that simple movement, that simple time, very important that we remember not to fall. It's a word that's out there that can cause so many complications for our patients, and we just need to remember not to fall. So one of the things I would love for you to remember when you get up in the morning is that word, I cannot fall. So when you wake up in the morning, think, I've got to get up slowly. So when you're laying down in bed and then you're sitting up, I want you to sit there for a few minutes and dangle your feet, get your bearings, see how you're feeling. Check in with yourself to see if you're ready to make that first step out of bed. If you do need assistive devices, it's also very important to make sure that they're close by to you and that they're in good condition. And after you've decided that you're feeling well enough, then you can go ahead and stand up. And once you stand up, that'll be the next place that you have to remember not to fall. So am I feeling okay right now as I stand up? And if you are, then you can go ahead and engage in using your assistive device, whether it's a walker or a cane, to make sure you have those with you before you start that initial step. And then if you are feeling well, then it's okay to go ahead and make that step and continue on with your day. I just want to make sure that all of you are thinking as this new year progresses in front of us for 2020 that we will not fall. So when you're even out and about, make sure that you are going out when it's safe outside, that it's not raining or snowing, and that your pathway is clear of debris when you are out walking around. If you do have appointments scheduled and it's a really bad day outside, it would be important to cancel those appointments and go out when you are fully prepared to take that journey outside. Safe, happy, and healthy 2020. Happy New Year.